Usually, when a vowel comes before a consonant, the vowel makes a short vowel sound. The short O sound is ah. When I say the ah sound, my jaw drops low and my mouth is open wide. Ah. Listen for the short O sound in the word mop. Ah, p, mop. P, ot, pot. F, ox, fox. P, ot makes the word pot. P, ot, pot. We found the word that matches the picture.
Hi! Some words come up a lot when you read. Let's learn them well so you can read them quickly. Today, we are going to learn 5 of these words. On, green, please, they, are. This is the word they. They are talking. Look at the letters in this word. The word starts with the letters TH. Together, these letters make the th sound. The letters EY make the A sound in this word. Th, A. When you blend those sounds together, you get the word they.
Let's learn how to use personification in our writing. Personification is giving human characteristics or feelings to non-human things. For example, the lightning danced across the sky. Notice the verb danced. Lightning can't really dance, right? Only people dance. But when lightning pops and spreads through the sky, the movement can be described as a dance. Which option completes the sentence so that it uses personification? On a brisk October evening, Theo's campfire instantly burns up the firewood. Or, on a brisk October evening, Theo's campfire instantly devours the firewood. So we're looking for the option that gives human characteristics or feelings to a non-living thing, in this case, a campfire. A campfire can burn up firewood, but a campfire can't actually devour firewood. A person would devour food if they were really hungry. So devours is the correct choice.
A fact is a statement that can be proven through research or observation. An opinion expresses a personal feeling, belief, or idea. Today we'll practice deciding whether a sentence states a fact or expresses an opinion. Which of these sentences is a fact about the giant anteater? The diet of a giant anteater is disgusting. Or, the giant anteater can eat hundreds of ants and termites at a time. People have different beliefs about what's disgusting and what isn't, so this isn't something that can be proven through research or observation. But you can watch an anteater eat hundreds of ants and termites at a time. So the second sentence is a fact.